Hi everyone. Uh, Today I will discuss about HR Analytics Certificate course. This course is really useful in today's time, especially for the people who are interested in solving HR issues. It could be an HR, professional, or it could be a business owners as well. Because people management, hiring, recruitment, okay, understanding the organization, culture, the requirement by the people. It is not the job of HR, but a business owner as well. So you will actually use the HR data to make better decision about the people, and you will be able to help organization in the growth. This course is not just about working on data, deeply we can get into the data, how we can solve each and every problem which our managers or CEOs discuss. So this is not at an entry level thing, it is for at all levels of uh, HR. Whether you are a beginner, whether you are in the middle of your career, or maybe have you reached a top of the, because we are solving the business problems apart from the HR related problems. The business problem which directly impact the company's growth, and as a HR professional, as a senior HR member, you can you know help the organization in solving those problems. This course will also, help you to get more jobs if you're looking for a job change, because this course makes you enable to use data of any company and give the insights. The insights are logical, data driven, okay, and not just in thought. We have something with logics, and that's why we are confident that this is something a company should do. As a HR professional, in today's time, we have to be more logical, more strategic in approach, and definitely a data can help us a lot. So let me take you through this. So what are the benefits of HR analytics? You can actually make accurate decision, okay, more accurate decision. You can strategize to improve retention. You can help the employee in more engagement. Recruitment and hiring are the most important issues which HR face HR faces. So using this tool, you can definitely help in the recruitment and hiring, because right now what happens, suppose a manager comes and the manager says I need three people. Now the manager says some reasons that I want three people because of this reason, but you as a HR professional can actually get into the data, get into the previous records, analyze it, and find out, no, this is not a right amount, right number of people you are looking for. You should have some more, or you should have some less. There's some logics behind it. So hiring plans can be more and more accurate. You can tailor it to according to the organization actual skill set needs. You can find out the trends and patterns in the HR data. So basically what you do, you actually find a trend, you actually find a pattern in the data, and you forecast it, and that's why it is more logical. You can create a more productive workforce. You can find that which employee is doing better, which age group is doing better, which age group is more in job involvement, and accordingly you can create a more productive workforce as well. So that will definitely help you in better workforce planning, and you can improve the processes over there. So this is one page dashboard where you can do 100 plus analysis by using any data. So let me show you one, you can say the live example of it. Let me show you this for sure. So I will show you one, examples, or you can say one dashboard sample. Okay, let me take you in the analytics. So we are creating this dashboard using Power BI. Okay, but it's not just Power BI. It is about analyze the HR data. You can use Excel. You can do whatever you want, but the Power BI is more in demand. And when you mention the Power BI in resume, it can help you a lot. You do HRTech using Power BI, and it's free as well. So look at this. So suppose I want to show my manager the department wise data. So suppose I want to show the HR. I will click on HR. I will find the job satisfaction by age and count of gender by gender. So you can see the age of 26 people are more satisfied in job. If I look at the R&D, I will find something else. If you look at the sales, I will find something else. So department. So I have taken three departments in these examples. So like the sales people, more male people under sales. In the HR, female and male are same in this company. So in this way, you can also see the job involvement page. I click over here, I find the job involvement. Okay. I can see the 31, the 29 to 32. These group people are more involved in job. I can see at 33 it is very less. I don't know why. Maybe the people get married at an age of 32 and they get busy anyway. So I can click on the attrition movement. I can see what is the attrition movement over there, attrition forecasting as well. We can find out that we who is a employee going to quit. So a lot of things we can do. Okay. OT versus analysis we can do. So this is something interesting. Okay, this is just a one-page dashboard. This is very live, and we can do a lot of things over there. Coming back to this, so this is the attrition count by date, year, department. You can do in-depth analysis on attrition. You can find the job involvement by age. You can find the job satisfaction, job involvement, and many more stats over this using this. Now, this is again a very important insight that which age group is most satisfied in your company. Okay. Oh wow. So the if we want to find that who are the people having more time at office. So usually the married people are coming more time at office for this company. So you can actually do lot of insights. Okay, lot of strategies you can plan for these people then. Okay, like a lot of people are that who are the people staying late and why are the reasons and all. So according to the data, you can find the married people say, then you can have a survey, you can do a lot of things. Okay, so in this data we found that HR less satisfied in our job. So this is just for this is just a, you can say, a funny way of presentation. Otherwise it's not necessary. I believe the HR people are the more satisfied in their job. They enjoy interacting with the people, they working on you know building the culture of other people, so which is interesting. Okay, so job satisfaction by department, you can present in different ways. Okay, the visualization you can bring. You can find out the sales hike by any department. This picture shows the HR department, the salary hike. Okay. So how do you do this? You will set up the HR analytics, you will centralize all the data, create HR, build analytic capabilities, then you will put analytics into practice and you will drive the continuous. So these are the setting up the analytics in your organization, and we will teach you how to do that. So we will give you enough options to take any kind of data. You can take HRIS data, you can take other HR, you can take business data. Now it's up to you data you want to take and you can practice. If you want to practice all the data, you can take one by one. We will give n number of options. You can take one project, then do one, then take second, then do second, then take third, then do third. One by one you can do. We do not suggest to take two projects at a time. Just take one project from any kind of data, HRIS, business. Our trainers will definitely help you to understand the data as well, and then you can go through it. HR metrics. So HR metrics is used to determine the efficiency and impact of the workflows, including the HR department. So there are a lot of metrics in the HR. So and there's certain modules like recruitment is one module in that, engagement and retention is another, time checking in this. In these modules, we have several metrics. So we will give you a cheat sheet as well. We will provide you the 51 metrics and with the formulas, with the way how to do that, and you will be able to do that. Data analysis and visualization can be happen through Excel, Power BI, Tableau. We have taken Power BI as it's more in demand. Okay, but in this we are going to teach you the analysis of HR issues. Okay, you take any tool, you can do that. We will take Power BI, which is more in demand. Statistics usage in this to understand, capture, predict the randomness, to bring data-driven decision making, reveal hidden insight, identify the trend, better insights. So these are just some of the statistics which we use in the HR list. You can do lot of there. What is a capstone project? You will get a project which you will start from scratch. When we say the capstone, it means you will start from scratch. You will do it yourself. You will decide which data you want. You want to take HRIS data, other HR business data. It's up to you. We will give you an option. Okay, you can analyze the data. You can find show your finding through visuals. There are a lot of visuals in the tool which you can use. We will teach you each and every visual. You will design a report and then share the file with the said partner at edu4sure.com. Our trainer will evaluate, assess, and provide you the certificate. So this is something we will do. And before we end, I will take you to the course as well. So let me take you to the analytics course. So these are the modules. You will first decode HR analytics, means you will understand what is HR analytics, how does it work, what are the verticals where it can be used. You will be taught how to set up. You will got the benefits of HR analytics, HR data, which I just showed you. The HR matrix will be taught. Then some understanding on data analysis and visualization. Then come to the statistics. You will give some sort of theory about introduction to statistics and usage. So this was more about introduction, the theory part of it. Now comes to the practical part of it. You will be given the Power BI introduction first. Then you will be talk about the Power BI environment. We will also tell you the most important FAQs about Power BI. Why we are teaching you? Because we are trying to help you that using this course, you can also understand the Power BI as a course as well. Okay. Loading data, you will be taught how to load the data, how to make the data Power BI friendly. Suppose you get a data in a different format, how you can actually make it to the Power BI friendly. Then we will taught you a lot of visuals. The visuals will definitely help you. The which chunk does maximum over time, what is the male female ratio, keep an eye on headcount attrition, the way I showed you some of the examples. So a lot of visuals. You can see the tree map or pie chart, how you can find out the most effective age group. So these are the visuals. You can bring a lot of visualization in your presentation to your manager, to your clients, and make them impressed. Then come to the custom visuals. We will not leave you just on the basic. We will take you to the custom visuals where you will find a yearly attrition, attrition movement, multiple filters, quick dynamic reports, a lot of things over there. You'll also be able to find that who may quit based on the data, based on the predictive analysis. You can actually find which employee may leave the job. Coming a lot of other features like tool to designing a report, publish to web. If you are not having an official ID, as a partner, we are open to give you the official ID of us for a few months, and you can actually do this. Okay, you can save your reports and publish. So when we use the Power BI as a tool, we need an official ID to share it. You can use the tool for free, but to share it, you need an official ID. It can be any ID, either provided by your college, or we, if you do not have, we as a company can provide you that ID as well. There's a small cost to it, but if we collaborate, we can provide you for free. Designing a dashboard, definitely you will design a dashboard. You will work on the cloud features over there. Okay. Now coming to the case study, there are the 7 companies case study. We have taken the credit tools, which where we are talking about how to save money by productivity, who will quit. Okay. So suppose you hire somebody, you know that this person can leave after a performance track, after a certain report, after some data analysis. So you can be careful enough. Okay. You can also do a lot of other things related, store income with engagement, getting ahead of employee attrition, testing employee training. This is interesting. In the FMC retail case study, we show that how you can actually test the training effectiveness, whether the training given to employee was good or not. Okay. You will be taken to employee absence. You will be able to also understand, open a new faces, what are the things you should take care of, and then improvement. So there's 7 case studies of different MNCs. Now coming to the Capstone project, where you will be doing the do-it-yourself project. It will be for 2 weeks, and then you will be doing it for yourself. You will be taking the data as per your choice, and you will do it. We make you so confident enough that you can take any data and you can do it. Now coming to the practice material, we will provide you that, and the bonus content, you will get all the updates and you will get a metrics. So this is something we have for you. For any query, you can connect us at this number 9555111113 5533, and this is the email ID. You can write your query. If any query, you please connect this to this course. It will definitely understand which HR faces. Okay, you will be able to use the Power BI as a tool as well. Okay, you will do a lot of analysis, lot of you can say ideas you can generate, and you will be confident enough for your jobs, for your career. Okay, for yourself as a business owner also, it is going to help you a lot. So do not miss the opportunity. Get that analytics course. For any query, call us. Thank you so much for your time and patience. Have a great day.